of the most frequent tools you will use as a teacher is the People tool, because it gives you great access to tons of data. To access the People tool, click on the main menu and go to People. To choose which data points you want to display on the page, click on the Display options. The accommodations will indicate whether a student has notes recorded about their specific situation or needs. The score displays each student's overall percentage. The time spent displays the total amount of time each student has spent on course activities. Self-assessment displays self-reported evaluation results in the areas of understanding, interest, and effort. You can see that when a student is in a course, they can click the self-assessment. They will then let you know how they're feeling for understanding, interest, and effort. Once they click Update, that will then display to you in your People page. Self-assessment change date reports the date and time the most recent self-assessment was reported. Progress indicates how far along each student is in completing available course activities. Mastery displays how well each student is performing against course objectives. Online indicates whether students are currently online or not. PACE uses the percentage of students' past due activities to assess how well the student is keeping up in the course. Buzz will display a green, yellow, or red indicator to represent the assessment. Performance uses a student's overall course score and the student's performance on the 5 most recent activities to assess how well the student is performing in the course. Green, the student's overall course is within the top 75. Yellow, the student's overall score is in the bottom 25. And red, the student's overall score is below passing. Badges displays the badges earned by each student. Today displays the number of activities a student has completed for the day. Recently failed displays the number of failed activities within the last 5 activities graded. Late displays the number of late activities. Enrollment end date shows this date for each student, as they may differ depending on the type of course. You can also show grouping by course. When you're ready, click Save. You can filter in this page as well. You can filter the name by clicking on the header called Name. You can also filter any header that you have chose to display. You can turn on a more specific filter and choose a name or a quick list. You could also choose the minimum or max score, or minimum or max progress, or you could filter by critical students. If you need to email a student for any reason, you can email here. And you'll also be able to choose students that you might want to receive personalization in the clipboard, which we will show in another video. Several areas from within the course will bring you to this People page. For example, on the teacher dashboard, any of these 3 links will take me directly to the People page, as well as these links. The People page is a valuable resource to help you stay on top of managing and tracking your students.